you know, we've been dealing with the outfall of COVID-19 and the way it changed the world, and we had to reimagine things and being shut down. And you've seen a lot of people relapse with alcohol, drugs, mental health issues, not just for adults. We're seeing an alarming rate of children. It's scary. 2021, we saw a decrease in overdose deaths in Albany County. We had 126 in 2020 or 2023 versus 128 in 2022. We want to look at that numbers come down, and that's what we want to strive for. But at the end of the day, we want zero. We don't want to see a decrease, but we have to start going down and educating. We're increasing access to NARCAN through first responders, drop boxes, community partnerships. So we're going to be putting it out to the community, educating people, drop boxes around restaurants. If your restaurant, your store wants this, we're going to put it in there. We're going to make sure it happens. From January 19 or this year, 195 residents have received our administrative training that we're doing in-house on top of the sheriff's department, EMS departments out there, everyone out there doing this training. We're giving you this free training to show you how easy it is to use a nasal spray, to do a reversal, and getting it out there.
Well, I just want to thank Dan for all of the different ways in which he tries to help Albany County. I mean, it's just numerous. And as far as this particular issue that he's trying to address right now, as far as the Narcan is concerned, if you've never seen anybody die from an overdose, it's not pretty. I have. If you've never seen anybody on the street that was in need of this right here, I have. And so the more we get this out into the neighborhoods and into the places where we know, people live and they reside, it goes across all different types of neighborhoods, all different types of communities, and it's well needed.
NARCAN is a life-saving tool in this battle against opioid overdoses. In moments of acute crisis, it can literally mean the difference between life and death. The opioid crisis doesn't discriminate. It affects individuals and families of all backgrounds in all neighborhoods, and it has a ripple effect that can be felt in every corner of our community and economy. I want to commend the county exec and the legislature for their leadership to increase NARCAN awareness and to make it readily available where people shop, where they eat, where they work.
I believe in this initiative because I have a lot of younger individuals who come to my gym that could be at a higher risk. And I believe that through education, promoting health and wellness, and being prepared for worst case scenarios, that we can significantly make an impact on this epidemic and crisis. So I thank you all for having me here today, and I'm hoping that through these next steps that we can be able to make a significant impact on our community, both now and moving forward, especially with our younger generation. They are our future, and we need to impact them at an early age. So I really believe in this teamwork. It takes a team and a team effort.
Opioid abuse, substance abuse, and addiction. These are things that affect every part of our community here in Albany County. It's going to take our entire community to fight this epidemic. And this initiative that's been started is such an important part of this, not only to help save lives when they're in the most dire need, but a huge part of substance abuse in this crisis is removing the stigma involved in it.
There at Lark Street, and I know probably along Central Ave as well, it's an incredibly diverse population that exists down there, probably the most diverse part of the city or the county. So you have all types of people, all ages, and as a contrast, you want people to come visit, but you want them to be safe. And so we're also we have 80 plus businesses down there. All those owners have been there a long time and are compassionate, and they want to see everyone succeed down there. Like the county executive mentioned, we want our city and our county to be better. So we're going to do everything we can to help to that end. So.
I want to say to everyone that's here, on a serious note, thank you for the partnerships with the chambers, our good business owners, that are here, and to the legislature that's here. Thank you so much, because it's not possible without the partnership.